Alright, I think I got what I need here. Let's get this where I can work on it. Got some just kind of like lens cleaning stuff here I think is gonna be just the right thing. The coating on the front of that does not look strong. I would hate to scratch it. Yeah, there we go. And that's thoughtful of them to leave that there, so we don't make a mess of it. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I don't see any smudges in there, so I'm just gonna hit it with the air. Make sure we got any of the dust. So I'm sure there's a good way to do this, and I'm gonna show you the other way. Oh, off to a good start, see? It's a little, oh, hi. So there's little orientation doodads there. Help get it where it needs to be. I think we're gonna try and ease this. Ooh, there goes the screen flopping around. Boy howdy. I have no idea what's going on under there. Can you see? Oh my goodness, it's lining up great. I'm gonna continue to press our luck here. Right all the way around. Feels like everything's settling in well. So now we got all these little screws, and I wouldn't mind if I could get them to line up nice too, which feels like it's going to take a little bit of force as we work our way around. I'm going to go mighty easy with these screws. I'm guessing they don't take a lot of torque. Neither the screw nor the plastic backing it up. Yeah, that went right home. You really do have to push together, and I guess that makes sense. These are going to help hold everything flat. Oh, sorry, I gotta get this where I can see it better. I'll come right back to you. Feel free to tell me what a bad idea this is. I've got out my soft jaw needle nose vice grips. And we're just gonna ease that together. Okay, so that's a little, this one we can get, but that end one is gonna be a sticky wicket. Can you see? Yeah, it's still pushing me around. I think I can, oh boy. Yeah. Only just, wow. I don't know, do these normally fit together better? Let me know down in the comments. I'm a little skeptical here. Yeah, that's starting pretty good. Feels like it's drawing together. Don't think, oh no, I didn't cause any trouble there, good. Still won't recommend that as a strategy.